Hello, my name is Ken Harrison. I'm the President and CEO here at GNB Corporation. Today I want to talk to you about details. In the vacuum industry, details are very important. So we want to talk about our detail department. What that means is that we want to talk about surface finish. In the vacuum industry, there are 3 reasons that surface finish is very critical. That is to improve the overall cosmetics of the project. It also improves the sealing surfaces so you can get a good seal. And finally, on the inside of a vacuum chamber, it helps the vacuum pump down. When you improve the surface finish on the inside of a chamber, the pump down times become much better. This whole detail process is hard work, it's exacting, it's precise. And to give you some more details on that, I would like to introduce you Sandeev, who's the lead in our detail department.
My name is Sandeev Kumar and I work for GNB Corporation and I work for detail. I'm a lead guy for detail. Detail does we finish all the parts here in detail, looks like cosmetic parts, and we finish the part like blasting, seal surface, 32 finish, 16 finish, like aluminum parts, cosmetic parts, like no scratch, no nothing. It will look very nice, and then we ship it out. Our process, we do like set up the part first. What need to be done like seal surface, we use like different machines like graining. Sometimes we do grain parts, then different machines like seal surface, different belts we use it, and in the end we check the surface, it looks good or not. Whatever finish they call out, we just go for that. Graining is like graining like stainless steel, mild steel plates, different kind of grains they want, like finish, like 16 finish, or sometimes they want like a 32, 64 finish for graining. And we use different belts, and we have graining machine too, like big plates, we put it in there and then use the belts to grain. And blasting, we do like a different procedures, like stainless steel we have different media, and like mild steel we have different media to blast. And we blast like stainless steel looks like a so pretty, no punchy, no nothing, we like looks very perfect. We detail the O-ring gooms like for vacuum pumps, cosmetic parts, and for the O-ring we have to finish the O-ring looks good, like the O-ring sits there, no leak, and the seal surface have to be like whatever the requirements are.